Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to be going over how to replace the large seal housing on a JMP 60. So this video will apply to only JMP 60s. So to replace the large seal housing on the rear of your JMP 60 on the hopper, when you take it apart, what you will notice is that there are 3 U-packing rings in there. First, there's one with holes. In the middle, there's no holes, and the one on the very rear, closest to the rear of your pump, will have holes as well. And that's in order to make sure that these 2 grease lines here lubricate all the appropriate parts properly. If those are placed incorrectly, you will not have proper lubrication and can cause damage to your pump. So when putting the large seal housing back together, what you will want to make sure you're doing is following the provided diagram, which we can flash on the screen. And you'll want to make sure that you take the U-packing ring with holes, put that one first. One in the middle will have no holes, and the one on the very rear, closest to the rear of your pump, will have holes again in it, and you can rebuild your housing that way. If you require this diagram or any further assistance, please give us a call.